Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off direct message on X, formerly known as Twitter. So when you go to X, you can see that some pages you can't actually message them, and some other ones you can actually send direct message to them. So if you want to turn off direct message on Twitter, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First of all, you go to your profile. Now go to your settings and privacy. You have to scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Here you're going to see an option that says direct message. Manage who can message you directly. You have three options here: no one, verified users, and everyone. If you choose on verified users, only verified users can message you. So if you don't want anybody to message you at all, if you want to turn off direct message entirely, you have to click on no one. On your profile, there won't be an option to message you directly. So that's how you turn off direct message on Twitter. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.